So I decided I'm gonna take you guys along with me on my little journey of getting ready for a dinner, because I feel like it's about to be a big transition because I look like this, like a hot mess right now. So I wanted to take you with me, so you're gonna have to deal with it. Anyways, or you can, I mean, watch the video, please. Okay, so right now I have to pick out my outfit that I want to wear. I don't really know what I want to wear. Move? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing. I'm gonna do my makeup first. So, let's get into it. Okay, so before I start my makeup and stuff, I wanted to show you guys my cases from Casetify. Like, look at this. That says Bebe on it. Oh, is it gonna focus? Hello? Focus. Yeah, it says Bebe on it, and then I have one that says, there's like 3 A's on it for AAA. And it's like a different material, like this one. It's like leather. And this one's just smooth. And then I got like this one too. But like, you can customize them. Like, look at this design. I'll show you how to customize them. But they're cases from Casetify. They're very protective. So like, these are like the ones that I have. And these two are customized. And then this one wasn't. But look how cute this one is too. I don't know why it keeps focusing on my face and not the case. That rhymed. But even the one with my phone in it, and nothing happened to it. Also dropped it on the bathroom floor over there and nothing happened to it, so I guess that's saying a lot, isn't it? I'm literally obsessed with this one. Look at it. Isn't it so cute? This is Bebe on it. So if you guys want cases like mine, go to casetify.com/Shivani for 20% off and you get to match with me. Also, if you guys want to know how to customize this is where this next clip is going to come into play. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys real quick that this is like the custom iPhone page, and like basically you get to just make any case you want. That's why I made this one. And this is just Bebe on it, and it's just plain nice. You get to like pick through the kind of phone you have and like see the options, and then you get to design the color and the case and what you want on it. And like you get to put text and everything. So like I just wanted to show you guys how cute that was.
I look so good right now that you shouldn't even be recording me. Like, it's unfair to people.
Okay, so I decided to change the top into something else. I'm wearing this like silky top, the sparkly pants with a belt. And I'll show you that right here. Just this. Went through a couple trial and errors and it didn't really go well, so yeah. Now I'm going to do my makeup because I couldn't figure out what makeup I wanted to do if I did my makeup first and then the outfit, so I'm gonna do the outfit first and then the makeup, so. Okay, so now I'm here ready to do my makeup. But I know the lighting's kind of off because I don't have my ring light in here at the moment. But it's okay because it's like natural light, so you guys get to see what it looks like in natural lighting. But first, I'm going to exfoliate my lips. I don't know, I don't really want to do foundation. Oh, hi. I don't really want to do foundation, so hello? Anyways, look at this case, look how cute. Anyways, but I don't really want to do foundation, but my skin is terrible, so I might have to. But I don't want to. I might just do concealer. No, because every time I do concealer, I want to completely put it all over my face. Nails by Erica P. I think I'm just gonna do concealer, and then I'm gonna do like a shimmery silver eyeshadow look with probably like black liner. Nothing too crazy. Probably just be basic because you know how long it takes me to do like normal stuff because I keep like redoing it. So we're just gonna do that and see what happens. I'll show you guys like maybe midway through or all the way through what it looks like, and then I will show you the full fit and everything. I have to sneeze. I gotta change the lighting a bit, so what I'm gonna do is concealer, eyebrows, eyeshadow, mascara, and then done. And we're gonna transition to that right now. This is my makeup. Shimmery glam, yeah. And then out of that lighting, if it refocuses, just to fit it up fat. And yeah, my hair is just cramped because I took it out of the braids, and you can see like the purple right here. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I wear my hair like this. But yeah. So now that I am completely ready and done, I was like, I don't know if it'll freaking focus on my face. That's my makeup. Hey! This is the outfit, as I already showed before. These little stars on the side. And then I'm wearing those Jordans right there. But now it is time for me to go to the dinner. Also, look, don't forget to go check this out, link in the description, so you guys can match me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. It was a quick little get ready with me type of deal. Barely saw get ready with me, but if you made it this far, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. I'm awkward on camera. I'm awkward on camera. I love you, bebes.